It's news that solar eclipse will happen on 8th of April. So a solar eclipse occurs when the moon passes between the Earth and the Sun, blocking out the sunlight and casting a shadow on the Earth. This can result in a partial or total darkening of the sky for a short period of time. Do you know that this phenomenon was happened in Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, time, and what he said to do? When this phenomenon is happened, before moving forward, I have question in my mind. Give answers in comments. When was the last solar eclipse? So it is narrated Al-Mughira bin Shu'bah. On the day of Ibrahim's death, the sun eclipsed, and the people said that the eclipse was due to the death of Ibrahim, the son of the Prophet. Allah's Messenger said, "The sun and the moon are two signs amongst the signs of Allah. They do not eclipse because of someone's death or life. So when you see them, invoke Allah and pray till the eclipse is clear." The eclipse prayer is called Salat al-Hasuf, a little different than the normal prayers. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Whoever hears a hadith, sunnah, and transmits it to others, may Allah fill his face with lights and good deeds." So please share this videos to other and gets rewards from Almighty Allah. I pray that Almighty Allah save us all from the hellfire. Ameen.